The mystery of the drones flying in New Jersey is still unsolved. So far, speculation runs wild as theories emerge about the origin and purpose of these aerial intruders. Some believe it could be a covert surveillance operation by Russia or Iran, gathering intelligence on critical infrastructure and military installations. But also it could be perhaps a tech savvy from the U.S. who has built highly advanced drones and started a nighttime testing spree that has spiraled into an elaborate prank. I know this sounds odd, but it could be someone sitting at home, watching as the chaos and speculations unfold, chuckling as authorities scramble for answers. The drones first captured public attention when they were spotted flying above Picatinny Arsenal, a highly sensitive military installation responsible for developing and supplying artillery ammunition, including munitions for Ukraine. The reports have spread across at least 12 counties in New Jersey, with drones spotted over reservoirs, power lines, rail stations, police departments, and military bases. This immediately raised concerns that the drones might be part of an intelligence gathering mission, potentially linked out to Russia. Experts familiar with drone technology, including Lieutenant McMillan, have pointed out the resemblance of these sightings to Russian Orlan 10 drones, which have been used for reconnaissance and electronic warfare in other parts of the world, particularly near NATO facilities supporting Ukraine. These drones are known for flying in coordinated packs and carrying a variety of equipment, from optical cameras to electronic warfare packages. Iran has also been brought into the mix. Congressman Jeff Van Drew speculated that the drones could be connected to an Iranian mothership off the East Coast, though the Pentagon has denied this claim. The collaboration between Russia and Iran on drone technology adds weight to this theory, but there's no hard evidence tying either country to these incidents. The Pentagon statement on Wednesday reiterated that there is no indication these drones belong to a foreign entity or even the U.S. military. While this might put some minds at ease, it raises another troubling question. If it's not foreign adversaries or the U.S. military, then who or what responsible? The idea that an ingenious American could be behind these drones is not as far-fetched as it might seem. With the rise of drone technology and hobbyist innovation, someone with the right skills and resources could create drones that look and behave in ways that confound even experienced observers. This person could have started innocently, testing their creations under the cover of darkness. But as the mystery grew and media coverage exploded, they might have decided to lean into the chaos, turning their nocturnal tests into an elaborate joke at the expense of everyone trying to solve the puzzle. If this is true, it would certainly be one of the most audacious pranks in recent memory. For the people of New Jersey, however, this is no laughing matter. The drones have caused widespread unease, especially when they interfere with electronics or appear near critical infrastructure. Some residents have reported feeling so unsettled that they're ready to take action themselves. One report described drones shutting off their lights mid-flight, disappearing into the night. This behavior only deepens the mystery and fuels speculation about advanced capabilities and potentially malicious intent.